amanyoko nesi wa amanyoko nbe gina ne naso a Ghana fo be se hu ye mobo mbesande abanya hye yensa na obi am say me nua Kwesi Kwarteng kan sem bi say party no ye free abemu 4 months party no ho akire enti no we have to rely on amount for some individual donors. I mean it is totally not true. Even when the party was in government, Obi, the party was still relying on individual donors to organize. And yet, this is not the first time MPP organized a conference. There has never been a moment MPP organized a conference. There has never been an occasion, Obi. At all material times, unless Kwesi Kwarteng wants to tell me say MPP will be Ministry of Finance for Sika conference. At all material times, MPP conference biano. We rely on the support of individuals within the rank and file of the party. Party financiers, businessmen, Maya Kakra. Party sympathizers, Maya Kakra. Former appointees, Maya Kakra. Your Abema appointees, no personal money. And no more Maya. The Director General has been here. Minjini say what the Nisabo TV Sika Muda say Yanfankoma party, party fanya conference and a party fanya party program. It has never happened. Or best supported party now. You know any bottoms can or the best supported party no. So we shouldn't make it look like say MPP bo opposition no. MPP asayama obi MPP sebe yada forms you and that forms are enti ye kan ye nya botre. Say they be a Ghana for tia, they will not get the impression say MPP ne go and MPP end that forms are. MPP because ye niska ye de ba organize conference. Men say general secretary aka wo ba bia say party ni niska ye de ba organize a conference intino say amanfo am be support ye ntimi nya conference no. But it is also a fact say at all material times we rely on the support of people. Just that in Gofo support here, they don't put it out. Obi, I know party for support MPP conferences or Monfanto Abonte. And I also don't subscribe, say, who ye bibima party. I was said that one nona sebe ode ball once for him say, una waye we ama manyo ko nintino sebe yefa unsia konkonso anase yenso. I don't think that is a proper thing to do. If we say, ye some party, obi de na ho ade beso party. Many Kwesi Kwarteng Director General yes you kasa dia some party obi so one more timi nkasa or the bottom na be den and be some party no, but it doesn't mean say uyi kakra ebre party na eno kire say party ni nia no na wo say yeso. If a conference here be I know a lot of people are more donated to the cause of this conference and so my yedin. In fact, me and my boss, Dr. Bawumia, he has donated about over 6 million cedis to organize this conference. But what is our council? What is our council? I will not come and sit here to say, Dr. Bawumia, I will not come officially. I will not sit here to say, okay. Dr. Bawumia, I support a conference with 6 million Ghana cedis. No. Any duty as a party member say party ni ye organization be a party ni ye program be na obetima boa to ensure say party ni be fa into my pefra. But that doesn't mean say the Bema media for say young publisher and say nunti no he's the best to lead the party. No, I don't think say that is the purpose for which intia e was say a boa party. Ye boa party na ye yin yakuma munia na ye fa boa party. Nti obi ubisa me a. I think say support in the Yeguso JJ individual donors fair the Joe Wise committee okay. the champion and a big committee no one Adam Pennyfoka committee no one they'll gladly come and receive donations to ensure say you be organize a conference because conference here yeska the party for move free any bench here by they all have to sleep, they all have to eat. I would say mobilize transportation near the idea more money our head sound the idea cost waheniana efe kwancha dia so efe ye discan okay into obi ye gusu jeje but e no nkyere so obi a donate bibi to the party a was say Kwesi Kwarteng money look say a special event to even make the case say I will be say kan Dr. Bawumia ko donate 50,000 na nipa na want say kan MPP obi na nipa na it's an individual nipa na the man na nipa na person on one kasa broadcast here on one kasa ni case
and free mo hon eba yam na mo broadcast
and any broadcast do you have any proofs that will be what is that Dr. Bawumia kasa wako mo biska and answer what is that Dr. Bawumia spokesperson bi kasa wako mo biska no but nipa na no any media for your interview no so that Dr. Bawumia say what about Buan and so and so unless the Kwesi Kwarteng has some evidence to the contrary. But Obi, the fact still remains say party year program a man for boa party no. This is not the first time, and this will not certainly be the last time a man for boa party no. But the fact that you have helped the party doesn't mean that I was a party in this wow. And I say I was a woman look it say and now na be boa party na. Like I mentioned to you,
there is some more information coming on donations so far. Gordon Asaribediakon, a journalist with Wound to Me TV, or say, and this is a post he's made on Facebook. Enough respect to all the donors towards the National Delegate Conference. Top 3 donors so far: Dr. Bawumia 80%, Honorable Kenny Japan 12%. Dr. Brian Echampon 0.5%, others 7.5%. And I say kudos to all of you. Way to go for now. Next time the party must look for the funds ahead of time instead of relying on a few people. In the way Gordon Haribediako and Guy G, who is a member of the Kenny Japan campaign, say budget for Congress needs 16 million Ghana cedis. As at now, Dr. Bawumia has paid 6 million, Kenny Japan 3.5 million, Educhum 500,000, Brian Echampon 500,000. Also, Ken has promised the party executives to come for another 500,000 today. And that's information also coming through from Guy G, who is in the Kenny Japan camp. And do with this information what you wish. But for one to see
I think the information now. Penny Gordon, yes. I think it's helpful, but let us not situate, the more party for a debois party because I mean, I'm funny say because they want to lead the party in Tina or Mobuan. In Penny for a yebo munia, they've served in various capacities within the party.
Okay.
Omuye party members in good standing. It is a party ni ye bibi. Nase omususu se omubeboa. Like I've mentioned to you, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Eboa, the organization of the conference. No, Minjini say na Jimbi Taichrentina or the Boa. In fact, or Boa conference at you and yen. So what did I make an say? But I am broadcast because I am totally against the announcement. Say your Boa party and near the Betina radio who can once and because I know man I be kauna a share Ghana for being before say. Mukona mukoji musika na mukoyesi na mukoyesi ntia yenko to aba okazo bi nko to aba o se mamisika. So the monocracy na ye nia ye kase ye free politics. Let us reduce some of this announcement. And in fact, I know for a fact say General Secretary money accounter omo boa party ni nia for the organization of conference. It is totally unwarranted. And it is totally needless. Say, Obibe Boa party, we are not the Akoma media station, busy media station and publish.
Kwesi Botchway, I mean, I say, my name David Pra. What do you think about our topic?
No, quickly, Minia Kwesi Botchway.
Yes.
In his bid to condemn Kwesi Kwarteng, took the opportunity to announce